In this video, we can see what is quantifiers. I have dash books. Which answer will come? Many, a few, a lot, all of the above? You guess the answer. So here see one more sentence. That is 2 dash in the soup, salt. So too much of salt, too little salt in the soup. So salt is an uncountable noun. So we should use some words like little, few, much, less, a few, more. Like that words only we can use. Some we can use for uncountable nouns. So such type of word is called quantifiers. So what is a quantifier? A quantifier is a word which indicates a number or amount being referred to. It generally comes before a noun. Some, many, a lot of, a few are the examples of quantifiers. Quantifiers can be used with both countable and uncountable nouns. There are some books on the desk. He has got a few books. He has got only a few books. How much money have you got? So the words some, a few, much are all called as quantifiers to mention the amount, how much amount we have or no, how much quantity is there. So that is called as quantifiers. So the word quantity itself refers quantifier. Quantifier itself refers to quantity. So which placed before the noun. These are the quantifiers: much, many, a lot of, plenty of, little, some, a few, less, any. You can read some examples. How much or how many is there? I have a few books. Do you have any time? We have few friends. We have no money. So these are the quantifiers. So when and how we can use quantifiers, some rules are there we can see. So a lot of, a plenty, to say which has how many, which is big, which has big in amount, a lot of quantities there means we can say lot. Small quantity, when we have only small quantity means we should say few, very few. So some quantifiers are called zero quantifiers. That is nothing is there. Not any, none. Such words are used which is not there. Too many, to say more than, to say less quantity, not enough. So with uncountable nouns also we can use a lot of, to say small quantity means for uncountable nouns we should use a little. Too much, to say more than for uncountable noun before uncountable nouns. And not enough for both countable and uncountable nouns we can use. Many and several suggest a number, and these quantifiers are used with countable nouns. Much and little suggest quantity, and these are used with uncountable nouns. His much happiness, he's little tired. So some and many suggest both quantity and number. These are used with both countable and uncountable nouns. Some is generally used in affirmative sentence and any is normally used in negative sentences. In further pictures we can see. Give some advice. He has some books. So both with countable and uncountable nouns, some and any is used. So a few suggest quantity and are used with countable nouns. Here also you can see some examples. He eats a lot. My coffee is too hot. I haven't got enough time. This soup isn't too enough. So when do we use a few? These are the rules. A few represents a positive quantity, that is, it has. He has a few good friends, so he is happy. Like that, if it is there, some quantity is there, means we will be using a few, but not much. You can see the examples. So here also some more examples with a few. So here you can see some and any. So some means it has something, any means it doesn't has anything. To say negatively, for example, there is some milk in the glass. There isn't any milk in the glass. So no milk is there in the glass. Is there any milk in the glass? To make a question we use is there. There are some books in the bag. There aren't any books in the bag. Are there any books in the bag? So to say negatively we use any, and to say positively we use some. So a little means itself something is there. Little means nothing. Nothing will be there. There is a little water in the bottle. Some little is water. Some little amount of water is there. There is little water in the bottle means there is nothing. Only few drops are there, not to quench the thirst. Not enough to quench the thirst. So article is used before little. There is a little butter in the pan. There is a little milk in the glass. So here are also some more examples using a little. So little, I am sorry, I speak little French. So he speak little French. French means he doesn't know French. Only one or two word which is not used. Here you can see some more examples. Thank you.